Hey everyone, Sean with MarineMax Palm Beach, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough video of this Aquila 36 Sport. Very fortunate that I'm standing on one right now since they are in very high demand. This particular one, we have it equipped with twin 300 V8 Mercs, very torquey engines. Great job by Mercury coming out with these all-motor engines, and it pushes this boat really well. Now, first thing I want to show you on the boat end is going to be this amazing dive ladder that Aquila has come up with. It's going to be a standard option on every single Aquila you buy. And look at this. Just slides out easy like that. And then you have a latch right here that you release. And look at that. Just goes straight into the water. Now, unique thing right now for this ladder is, see how the handrail actually comes up higher than the boat? So when you're coming out of the water, you don't have to pop a cleat up, grab your fingers in there. You just keep on coming up like it's a regular ladder. And once you're done, press down on it, lock it back into place, and slides easily back in like nothing. Very unique design, and props to Aquila for coming up with that. Now, moving forward, we have full seating in the back. This backrest right here actually folds down and becomes a full sunbed. Really great for those sandbar days, Sunday football. Coming in, you'll see a boarding door on the port side, and unique on 36-foot boats, we have a boarding door on the starboard side as well. So it doesn't matter which side of the dock you dock your boat on, you always have easy boarding. Coming inside the cockpit, great summer kitchen. Lots of space to put all your seasonings or whatever you have, you know, burgers and all that to work around. We have the sink right here, but if you didn't want to use the sink, we have the designated holder right here that you just put it on, use it as a cutting board. True with any cat, plenty of storage all around. So we got a Kenyan grill and then a fridge right down below. Fridge and freezer. This boat is optioned out with the AC in the cockpit, so on those hot summer days, crank that sucker on, you're good to go. L seat shape, L seat right here, oversized table. Now look at this. These actually, you undo them, seat comes down, then you put in a filler cushion, becomes a whole sunbed. So it really brings everyone together on this 36-foot boat. Moving forward, we got our Goosey Italia steering wheel, joystick, standard on every Aquila 36, Mercury binnacle right here, your Mercury vessel view, Raymarine, and then upgraded fusion head with all your switches down below as well. Now, very unique for a 36-foot boat, we have 2 staterooms and 2 full-size heads. Very, very unique option for a 36-foot boat. And this is honestly one of the big reasons why this model is so popular for us. Great for entertaining, great when you have a big family, fits everyone. Now, I do want to say we're going to show you one side, but both staterooms are identical mirror images of each other. So let's go down. So as you can see, you got a queen size bed in here, forward. And then moving backwards, we have full-size wet head with a toilet, and your sink becomes your shower head as well. Just put coils back in, and then all of this is plenty of storage, including back here. This is going to be where you're going to hang all your clothes. Now, I want you to pay attention to this right here. You see all this? This is all made in-house, hand chisel tools at Aquila's factory. Plenty of room all in here. I'm 6'2" and I don't hit my head anywhere. Now we're gonna come up to the bow of the boat, which typically a lot of people like the bows of any boat, but there's not enough seating or room. Look at this right here. You got a full lounger right here, and you can easily fit 3 people on it. It's double wide by the books, but you can easily fit 3. Now, if you don't want the lounger, collapse everything in, bring the backrest up, see how it comes up like that, and then you got forward facing and aft facing seats. Giant storage down below, and if you want to go fishing one of those days, you can use it as a fish box as well. Want to point out this anchor locker right here. So we got our windlass remote right here. It does come with a wireless remote as well, so you can walk around the boat and just raise your anchor up and down. Now this is a small feature that for some it might not be that important, but for true boaters you're gonna appreciate it. We have a fresh water washdown rather than a raw water right here with its valve right there, as you can see. And what that does is, when you're bringing the anchor back up, instead of rinsing it with raw water, salt water, you're immediately rinsing it with fresh water, taking all that salt and keep it out of your boat. So that's a very nice feature in my opinion. So that concludes our walkthrough video of the Aquila 36. Come check it out. They are hot sellers. Sean with MarineMax Palm Beach, give us a call.